Hey guys, we are doing a holiday sugar plum fairy. Thank you, Miss Hailey Bieber, for giving us the inspo for this look. It is definitely more glam than her look. If you saw it on TikTok, it's way more glam, but I tweaked it to something that I would actually wear. I really love how this turned out. Also, I have some holiday outfits that I chose that I want to show you guys in this video. And I'm getting ready actually for a holiday party that I'm going to. So if you want to see how I created this look, then make sure to keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. You guys, I feel so bougie with this Gucci shirt on right now. I'm gonna share with you guys outfits that I just got from ThredUp. Gonna put you guys on. Let's get into the makeup first. I need to hydrate my skin. I've been using this one from Murad. It's the Cellular Hydration Repair Cream. And I'm gonna use this as my primer today. The face is prepped. We need some brows. Do you see these brows? They need help. I just came back in stock with all my shades from Dominique Brow Frame. I'm so excited because I kept getting questions on when they were gonna come back in stock, and they are back. I am absolutely insane because I have 3 cool deep browns. I'm a cool deep brown girly. And then I also have a neutral brown for the front hairs. I love when it's nice and sharp. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of my brow really quick with the shade Cool Deep Brown. That was so fast. All right, if you haven't tried our brow pencil, they sold out like this, so you may want to get yours like right now. I am so excited for today's look. It's a sugar plum holiday makeup, so it's not glittery, but it's very shimmery. I have been loving this mascara from Golden Dream Beauty. It holds the curl and it holds the lash in place all day. I'm gonna drink my coffee. It is peppermint mocha season, so I have my coffee. I'm actually drinking hot coffee. I'm an iced coffee girly, but today and lately I've been drinking hot coffee. That's so good. Okay, let's get into the eyes, but first I'm actually gonna prep my eyes. I feel like I haven't done this step in so long. This one is from Dominique. This is the Everlasting Eye Base. Okay, I blended everything out. We're ready for the eyeshadow. You're gonna need some pinks. So I have this Pat McGrath palette. I also have my Essential palette. And the first shade I'm gonna jump into is Compassion. Add some definition in the crease. It's called Forever Nude. That's cute. That sounds like Forever Mood. Jackie Aina. Just a little bit of that so we can have some of that hint of pink popping through. Me amo. That's just self-love. I'm gonna take that on the outer, has more depth to it. So I did one eye off camera. I'm gonna do the other one for you guys. But the first shade I'm taking is that first shade we used for the crease. Create a little wing. And then I'm gonna take this deeper shade, Me Amo, from the Essential palette. Gives it some life, some juice, and I always clean it up with my nail. Green nails for Halloweeny. Oh wait, what am I saying? Green nails for Christmas. And then with small pencil fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go over it because I don't want it to look too sharp. I'm gonna add this shimmer from Half Magic. Look at the sparkle watch. So freaking pretty. Imagine it in the dark. Okay, lashes are on. These are the Fierce lashes from Dominique. If we are not a fairy at this point, I mean, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna use this Be Goldie from Drunk Elephant. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit really quick. A portion of this video is sponsored by ThredUp, so thank you guys. But I got a chance to go on their site and they have so many cool things. ThredUp is an online consignment and thrift store where you can constantly refresh your style while creating less waste. You can find one-of-a-kind fashion pieces at incredible prices. It's amazing. These jeans are from Reformation. They fit so perfectly on my waist. They make my butt look good. And I'm just gonna wear this as a whole outfit for tonight. But I'm gonna show you some other things that I got. Okay, I got this crop sweater. So cute, it's fuzzy. I like that I can wear it during the holidays or when it's kind of chilly outside. And it keeps me cozy, but it's still cropped. And it's neutral, and I am a neutral girly. Let me show you how much of a neutral girly I am. I'm gonna show you what else I got. This top is from Reformation as well. Similar to the other one, but it's not as fluffy and fuzzy. I can wear it with high-waisted jeans, a skirt, I can dress it up or down, and I love that it's neutral. It's almost like the same as the other one. I'm telling you, I am a neutral girly. I also got this cozy top for the holidays. I feel like it's giving snow, but in California because there's no long sleeves at all. But this is very typical for me to wear something like this during the season because it doesn't get super cold, but it does get a little nippy, and this is perfect. Okay, this is another fave. This is from the designer Jacquemus. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it is so cute and it fits perfectly. Again, crop because I love a crop top. but with long sleeves. This is like the perfect holiday blue. I needed an athletic jacket to jog in when it gets cold, or if I'm working out in the morning and it's cold during this time. I got this jacket. It is so perfect. It has so many little compartments. You can put your iPhones, you could put your iPhone in there. You can put this over your hands if your hands get cold. It also has these little finger things, thumb things that I love. And there's just so many pockets, and it's just perfect. Like, it fits so great. I'm so happy with everything that I got. Okay, I'm back to finish up the makeup, but I chose to wear this top because it was so comfy, and I felt like I just wanted to finish the rest of my makeup with a comfy sweater. And also, my Gucci shirt that I'm gonna wear tonight for the holiday party is normally $1,200. I got it for $265. That is insane, you guys. If you have a friend, a family member that's into designers, go to ThredUp and get them their gift there. I love the prices. I love the styles there for the holidays. So if you want to shop my styles, you can actually shop my favorites. If you click the link, you get 40% off, which is even more amazing because everything is already so amazingly priced. But I'm excited for you guys. So go click the link, check out my stuff, and let's get shopping. The Sugar Plum Fairy foundation that comes to mind is this from Maybelline. The Superstay 24-hour skin tint is actually so good, you guys. I have been loving skin tints, but this one has a good coverage. So if you don't want anything heavy, you want a little bit of a glow to your skin, this has vitamin C too, which I love for dark spots. Look at how pretty this is, and the coverage is gorgeous. Redness is gone, and I put that Drunk Elephant glow underneath my skin, so my skin's gonna be extra glowy. That's like the whole purpose, I feel like, of this look, is you want to look like ethereal. Your skin needs to look like an ethereal glowing fairy. And I just got foundation on my earring, not my Bottega Amazon dupe. I remember the days when foundation used to run my whole makeup look. It's so weird how everything has changed and shifted, but for me it's been full coverage everything. And now it's more so beautiful glowing skin with like a little coverage. So my skin is glowing. Do you see that? Oh, I love it. It's giving fairy. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer from Dominique because this is full coverage. I love almond milk for the inner part of the eye. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, I love this metal tip. Lymphatic drainage massage. I wanna use a little bit of a darker shade on the outer part of my eye, so I'm using oat milk. They just blend together so beautifully and gives the most beautiful coverage without looking thick and heavy. I'm gonna brighten the center of my face, so right in here, down the bridge of the nose and the chin. If you like a little bit of a button nose, do this. I always do that. I don't think I explained it, but in case you're like, why is she doing that? I'm gonna spritz on a hydrating mist, which if you don't have dry skin, you don't really need to do this. You can just spritz on like a setting mist or something that is mattifying. But I like to refresh my skin in the middle. So I use this one from Dalba. It's called the First Spray Serum. It's like a serum and a setting spray in one. And I'll just let that simmer for a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and blend in with my beauty sponge. So I'll blend this out first and let my concealer continue to marinate underneath my eyes. And now I'll go into the concealer and blend that out. And it's gonna give you more coverage because it's been sitting on your skin for a second. So it's really had time to thicken up a little bit. This is if you like a bright under eye or if you have dark circles. You're gonna love doing this little technique with the two different shades. I mean, you can see. Really? Do you need to go use the restroom? Hold on, guys. I love my cats. Now that it's still nice and juicy, I'll go in with my setting powder. This is a hyaluronic acid infused setting powder, so it is nice and hydrating. And I'm just gonna go underneath and press that in. So it keeps that like juicy texture of the skin, but also keeping your face in place and giving you a little bit more brightness. I actually have a pink one that's restocking soon, so I'll let you guys know when that's out. But I just go in the center of my face with this, and then for the rest, I'll kind of leave open for anything else. I like using a setting powder as a bronzer, so I'll take a deeper shade. Like this is super warm and luscious and deep. I love to use this on the outer perimeter of my face, swirl it on my hand, because you really don't want too much of this, but you also want it to be even. It's almost like an airbrushed effect on the skin if you like a very natural, just a good skin finish with a soft bronze. So I'm gonna take that on the outer perimeter of the face all over. the chin, the jaw, and then I'll even go in and do a little bit of contouring, very much a bronze tour. But I hate that word, by the way, I don't know. There's like no other word to do like bronzer and contour. So we're saying bronze tour, or you can just go like this over your nose. If you have like a smaller nose, you can do that. But I do still like connecting my bronzer to my eyes. So I'll take it into the beginning of my brow and I'll bring it down, and it'll just give me a little bit more of a defined nose. And then I'll go over the top for the button effect. I'm gonna take it on the lower lash line. It's gonna give a little bit more definition. And then I'll go in with that shade we used earlier and take it on the outer corner of the eye. Blush in here is perfect for this look. So I'm gonna take this top blush. It's called Nymphette. Okay, I'm gonna take it a little bit above the temple and around. For the lip, I'm gonna do Stone Lip Liner from Dose of Colors. It's my favorite color. I'm gonna use my lip stain, and the reason I'm gonna use it, it's called Plumberry. It's because it's perfect for this look. It's a stain, so it's gonna go on kind of intense like this. It is so hydrating, and it moves really softly on the lips. But mixing that pink, the cool pink, and the plummy color together is Plum Fairy to the max. And since this is Hailey Bieber's look to begin with, since she started the whole thing, let's go ahead and use her Rhode Peptide Lip Tint in Jelly Bean. So cute, it came in an actual Jelly Bean pouch. It's like a pink with glitter. It's so, so pretty. Look how pretty. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Promise me you will try this look. I'm gonna go put my other shirt back on because I feel like that's gonna make it more holiday, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with the whole outfit, the makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And also, if you want to check out ThredUp and get some really cute pieces at an affordable price, make sure to check out my link below. It'll give you 40% off your first purchase. Trust me, you deserve it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think this is like the prettiest holiday look I've done ever, like ever, that I'll actually wear to anything, no matter what the event is. So I'm really, really happy with the way this came out. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I have 2 other videos hanging out on the bottom. If you haven't seen them yet, check them out. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe to be a part of the Dom fam. If you love makeup, beauty, how-tos, trends, what's new in the makeup world, then you need to subscribe so we can be friends. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Before I let you go though, I want to remind you that you are beautiful on the inside, and that is what counts. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.